Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So today I am going to discuss one of the important topic in SQL, that is SQL Joins. So let's start this. What is a SQL join? A join in SQL is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column, usually a primary key and foreign key. So what exactly a join is? So join is used to combine rows from two or more columns based on a related column. Okay. Now we'll find types of joins. What are the different types of joins? So first one is inner join, which returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. When there is a match in both tables, that record will return. And commonly used when you want data present in both tables. So inner join will be used when data will be present on both the tables. That time we use inner join. Then if we will write down one query, let's say we have two tables. One is employees table and another one is departments table. So how exactly we will use inner join? The select employees.id, employees.name, departments.dpt name. These are the columns, guys. So employees.id means id is a column in employee table, name is a column in employee table, department dpt underscore name is a column in departments table. Okay. So how exactly we'll write down inner join? So select employees.id, employees.name, comma departments.dpt underscore name from employees inner join. See, that's how we put inner join departments on employees dot dpt underscore id is equal to department dot id, departments dot id. This is the condition. So let's highlight this inner join so that it will be more clear. So let's highlight this in some different color. Maybe, yeah. So gonna highlight it. See, so that's how it is. So what it is going to return? It will return only employees that belong to a department will be shown. Okay, only employees that belong to a department will be shown. Okay, understood? Yeah, perfect. Then next will be left join. So that is also called left outer join. What does this means? What exactly it does? It returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. So that's why it is called left join. All rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. If no matches is found, null is returned for columns from the right table. Let's say there is no matching record in right table. That case, what it will return? It will return null. Okay. So let's see the syntax here. How is it we will write down? Select employees.id, employees.name, departments.dpt underscore name from employees, left join, departments on join condition on employees.dpt underscore id is equal to departments.id. Okay. So let's highlight also this one, this left join part, so that it will be more clear. Okay. Understood? Yeah. So what it does basically? Shows all employees even if they are not assigned to a department. So basically what it does, it will return all employees because employees in the if employees is in the left table. So that's why it will return all shows all employees even if they are not assigned to a department. Okay. So next one is right join. Right join is just a reverse of left join. What does that means? Returns all records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Okay. Similarly, let's say if there is no matching record found in the left table, in that case, what it does? It will return the null for that for the left table column. Okay, understood? So this is the query. So select employees.emp underscore id employees.name departments.dpt underscore name from employees rights and departments on employees.dpt underscore id is equal departments.dpt underscore id. So let's highlight this rights and then what it does, all departments will be shown even if they have no employees. Okay, so all departments will be shown because departments is the right table. So that's all records from the department. All departments will be shown even if they have no employees. Okay. So next, full join. What does that means? Full join means returns all records from both the tables with null where there is no matches. Full join means full, complete. So it will return all the records from left table and right table. If there is no matching record found in a particular table or column, it will return null for that. Okay. So how exactly it will be? Select employees.emp underscore id employees.name departments.dpt underscore name from employees full out full outer join. So let's highlight this. So if you'll see here, let's highlight this. Yeah, this is full outer join. Departments on employees.dpt underscore id is equal departments.dpt underscore id. Shows all employees and all departments even if they don't match all the records from both the tables. Okay, even if they don't match also, that is called full join. Then next is cross join. Return the Cartesian product of both the tables, every row in A into every row in B. Let's say there are 3 rows in A and 2 rows in B, so total product will be 6. Okay. So let's say there are 5 rows in employees and 3 in department. So total 15 rows. So for example, if you see here, select employees.name, departments.dpt underscore name from employees cross join departments. So it will return 15 records. So let's highlight this. What it does, if there are 5 employees and 3 departments, so it will return 15 rows. Next, self join. A table joined with itself used for hierarchical or relational data. That means table join itself. So for hierarchical or relational data. How exactly it will be? Select a dot emp underscore id a dot name as employee b dot name as manager from employees a inner join employees b. It will create the reference. Different A is reference of employees, B is also reference of employees, and with the join condition, it will basically on join condition, it will work the cross self join. So from how exactly it will be? Select a dot emp underscore id a dot name as employee, b dot name as manager from employees A inner join employees B. Okay, so let's highlight this inner join. On a dot manager underscore id is equal to b dot emp underscore id. So used to find employee manager relationships. Okay, employee manager relationship in employees table. Okay, that's how it is. Understood? A dot name as employees, b dot name as manager. Okay, from employees A. So it will display what? It will display the name and manager. Understood? From employees A inner join employees B. So it created two reference of employees table. On A dot manager underscore ID is equal to B dot EMP underscore ID. Okay, manager ID and employee ID. Used to find means it joins on this condition. Used to find employee manager relationship. It will show the employee name with manager name. For which employee? For employee, his or her manager name it will display. Okay, this is self join. Join itself. A table joined with itself. Okay. For hierarchical or relational data, here the relationship is employee and manager. Okay. Next, let's say with a quick summary, inner join matching rows only. So inner join is matching rows of both the tables. Left join all from left matches from right. Right join just reverse, all from right matches from left. Full join all rows from both tables. Full means both, all rows from both the tables. Cross join all combinations. Self join table join itself. So that's it guys. These are the types of joins, basically 6 types. So you need to remember. So next I will come up with some interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.